So far, the pictures which were emerging and coming from the Gaza were haunting the world, but now I am currently in the southern Lebanon, where the war between Hezbollah and the IDF, Israeli Defensive Forces, is going on since last 11 days. This war started when uh, Israel attacked first Iran. It was associated with the US, and both the countries targeted the Iran, and the Hezbollah, which had the ceasefire with the IDF in Lebanon, started its attacks on the Israeli installations in northern Israel. In the response, the IDF has started once again the aerial strike campaign against Lebanon, particularly in the South Lebanon. Also, they have told the 50 villages in the north of Litani River to move back towards the south of Litani River, across the Litani River. And when those 51 villages got vacated during last 7 days, now they are asking some of the villages on the south of Litani to move back further, because there is the ground battle going on. What the reports we are getting from the sources in IDF, that they are planning a massive ground invasion in South Lebanon, which is not anything new. Before 2006, this area was under the control of IDF, but after the war with Hezbollah, they left the South Lebanon back to the border. But now once again, the situation has emerged where IDF wants to end each and every threat from South Lebanon, particularly from Hezbollah, and that is why they are carrying these kind of strikes here. Behind me, this is the village in South Lebanon, namely Ajia, and here in this village on Monday night, IDF carried out the aerial strikes, killing 5 people and injuring 13 who are being treated in the hospital. But the devastation of these aerial strikes is visible, are getting created due to these massive aerial strikes. But also you can see behind me, these are the visuals which clearly indicate the impacts and the damage by these blasters. Nothing is being spared, whether it is the financial institution, whether it is the bank, whether it is the hospital associated with the Hezbollah. Those things are targeted by the IDF here in the southern Lebanon. Already the human crisis had emerged in the Lebanon. More than 500 people got killed in the 10 days of war between Hezbollah and IDF. 1,300 are injured, and 7 lakh people have got displaced. The crises are going on. On other side, there is a lot of pressure on the government of Lebanon that they should disarm the Hezbollah, but it is the reality that it is not an easy task for the Lebanese government to disarm Hezbollah. If they initiate that kind of anything in the Lebanon, this country can once again go into the civil war. Ashraf Wani for India Today Global from South Lebanon.
Okay.
Your name?
اسلام كمال، مسعف بالهيئة الدفاع المدني. نحن بجوية، بلدة جوية.
What happened here?
اوكي. واقعا هون من أعنف الغارات اللي حصلت على مدينة جوية. صار حصيلتها 13 جريح من المدنية، أطفال ونساء وعجز. كذلك راح حصيلتها 5 شهداء من المدنية اللي هن تواجدوا بهذا المكان. هذا المكان هو واضحا أو واقعا مكتظ بالسكان، حي مدني، ففعليا نستهدف بغير أي مبرر. نحن ان شاء الله كدفاع مدني حنكون حدهم، حنكون بصدد مواجهة الناس، رفع الركام عن الشهداء. واقعا هذا اللي حصل.